Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful, amazing mothers that out there that bring forth their children into this world and be there for them the best way they can. You know, children are always the future because it's from one generation to the next, and we should, as a mother, support her children because they did not ask to be here. So to all the mothers that play the best role they can to make sure that their children are better than them, congratulations, you did it. Happy Mother's Day, and you deserve it. You deserve every good thing that comes your way, every good thing that God have to offer you. You deserve it. And for all the aunties, the cousins, and friends who stepped forth and stepped in to help raise. Yeah. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Me I do my video and you disturb me.
Sorry.
What is it? None of my head is a piece of... None of my head. It don't look like yours. Why? If you do my ear? Why? You gonna take picture?
Yeah, I'll take picture.
Me I gonna take picture? Me and you? Shavana come?
Yeah, wish. Tomorrow Sunday? Okay.
Don't for do. Don't for do.
May I send you? I'm gonna send you a message.
So why you not just tell me?
Because your son said to send you a message.
Okay. Everything I'm my son, I'm my son, I'm my son. So what me have 3 daughters and find it's like you peak something from yesterday, my son say.
Yeah,
so,
because I'm your son first.
So my son, warm to you. What some what?
I didn't know what you're saying to them. I know about me, I have son.
Oh.
I didn't know what you're saying to them.
So they're not a part of what you are doing?
No.
You're not a part of what my son are doing?
No.
Okay. My son I do something different.
Yep.
My son love me.
Me I do something different too.
Oh.
Have a good day.
My son take time out.
Have a good day.
Come here. Yeah, miss. Oh my God. Can't get about that. Alright. Okay, so I learned something now. Actually I did this video before Mother's Day, the day before Mother's Day, but I'm gonna post it on Mother's Day. So as I was saying, right, to all the beautiful aunties, cousins, and relatives who step forth and assist any mother that they can to raise their children, because sometimes it's hard for you to do it by yourself. So if you stepped in and assist that child for going to school, their mother have to leave their children with you to help raise them and take care of them. Congratulations, because you are a part-time mother towards those children. You might not bring forth those children in this world, but I always said one person really can't raise children. You know what I mean? It take a village, it take a community. So for everybody who chipped in and helping anyways, happy second Mother's Day. Okay, so I have a little thing that I want you guys to listen to, and I may be not doing it, so I'm gonna redo it because it's with my children, and I'm gonna post it after this. I'm gonna post it as a second video. So I sent a voice note to my 4 kids a few days ago, and they sent me back the voice note. I asked them a question and they respond with voice notes because I really wanted to get them on a voice note. So I'm going to play the record from all three of them in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you guys so much, and happy Mother's Day again to all the beautiful mothers out there, and to second mom for being there for your siblings, your cousin, you know, your relative, a stranger. Happy part-time mom. Okay, God bless you all. Stay safe and be loved. Peace.